Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to block screenshots on Instagram when sending photos through direct messages. First, open the App Store or Google Play. Store and make sure your Instagram app is updated to the latest version. Once updated, open Instagram and tap on the messenger icon to go to your message inbox. Now open any chat where you want to send a private photo. Tap the camera icon to take a new photo or choose one from your gallery. After selecting the photo, look at the bottom of the screen and tap on the viewing options. Choose View Once. When you send the photo using View Once mode, the recipient can only open it one time. Instagram also provides protection against screenshots for these disappearing photos in supported situations. This is a great way to share private content with extra privacy and control. That's it for this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Instagram tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.